Hi, I'm Maggie, and welcome to Maggie's Animal Adventures. I'm here at the Willowbrook Wildlife Center with a special friend. This is Aisha, and he is an Eastern Screech Owl. As you can see, Eastern Screech Owls are a short, stocky bird, but they have these beautiful yellow eyes. They come in two different colors, either gray or, like Aisha, a reddish-brown. All varieties of color have this striping on them that helps them blend into their surroundings, camouflage into the trees. As the name suggests, Eastern Screech Owls live on the eastern half of the United States. However, they do not migrate during the winter. They require wooded habitat for both nesting in cavities and hunting, because they perch in the branches and then pounce down on their prey. Now, Eastern Screech Owls hunt mostly at night, but they've also been known to hunt in the dawn and dusk. This activity of being active during dawn and dusk is called being crepuscular. Eastern Screech Owls eat a variety of small animals, like small insects like moths, and also small mammals like mice, but they've also been known to eat bats, small birds, frogs, lizards, worms, and other tiny insects. Now they have a variety of adaptations that help them to hunt. The first adaptation, or special ability, I'm going to talk about is their eyesight. They have amazing eyes, but their eyes are locked in their heads, so they can't move their eyes. However, they do have the ability to turn their heads up to 270 degrees. We as humans can only turn our heads 180 degrees from one side to the other. However, although owls cannot turn their heads the full circle, they can see much further behind them than we can. The next ability that owls have is their excellent hearing. Now, screech owls have these ear tufts, as you can see, sticking up on top of their heads. However, those aren't actually their ears. Those are simply feathers that they can stick up or lay flat against their head. Owls' actual ears are more like holes in their head. Some owls have their ears a little higher on one side than the other. This allows the sound to come in at different angles, and they can very specifically locate their prey using those different locations of sound. However, Eastern Screech Owls don't have this ability, but they still have excellent hearing that helps them to hear their prey, like a mouse scurrying in the dead leaves. And the third ability I'm going to talk about is their feathers. Now, hawks have very streamlined, smooth feathers, but those make a sound when they fly. Owls have more fluffy feathers, and this means that when they fly, they can be silent. Screech owls also have feathers that go all the way down to their feet, and this adds an extra layer of silence when they're flying. So with all of those adaptations, they are excellent hunters. Eastern Screech Owls, like I said, nest in cavities, and this can be either a tree hollow, an old woodpecker's hole, or even an old mailbox. When the female is nesting with chicks, the male will come in and bring food to them. However, it's not always a happy family, as the chicks will often fight each other quite violently for food. An interesting fact about their nest is that some screech owls will actually bring in blind snakes, which is a species of snake, into their nest. These snakes will eat unwanted insects and parasites. How cool is that? Well, I think that's all the time we have today. So thank you, Aisha, for helping me out, and thank you for watching. Until next time, this has been Maggie's Animal